In this lecture, I will give you a complete overview of what this entire course is all about. After watching this particular lecture, you'll fully understand on how my system will help you in making sales with your product marketing. So here is a clear-cut view of my whole course. What I did here is I simply divided my course into sections which will help you out in understanding few important things to make it more easier for you. So in the section 1, I'll be covering the basics of online product marketing. In this section, I will explain you clearly about what is product marketing. It includes few reasons why product marketing through online is important. Please don't skip this particular section because this is going to be the foundation step of the entire course. If you're gonna miss this section, you will not be very clear of what I'm trying to say as it all comes from the basic. So make sure you're not skipping this particular section. Then next comes our section 2. Here I will explain the requirements involved in product marketing. I will cover all the basic things that are required for building a successful product marketing business. In this section, you will get to know the exact process of how to market your product online. Also, you will learn the power of social media traffic through which you can bring a lot of targeted traffic to your business in this section. In the section 3, I will teach you the power of social media clearly. Here I will be explaining you the effectiveness of all kind of social media that exists today. So if you're keenly observing all the things that I'm explaining you in this particular section, you will understand how powerful the social medias are in bringing laser targeted traffic to your product marketing site. In the section 4, I will be explaining clearly about my product marketing software. In this section, I'll be showing you how to get my product marketing software, which is a part of the system, completely free with a course. I'll be explaining the interface of the software and how to use all the modules of the software in this section. You will exactly learn on how to bring in the laser targeted traffic to your business website, and this is the most important part of the course. You can also use this software for any website. This software can bring in laser targeted traffic not only to your business website but also for any kind of website you have. Now, I'm sure that you are very clear with the overview of the course. You can use the discussion board if you have any queries in any of the sections. Please don't hesitate to contact me. I'll be replying you within a maximum of 24 to 48 hours. Let me move to the first section, which is the basics of product marketing.